Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and from today we are going to solve the polity PYQs. So we are starting from 2011. So let us look into the question and try to solve it. So the question states that in India, a metropolitan planning committee constitutes what? Okay, and we have to choose the correct statements. So first statement says that is constituted. So Metropolitan Planning Committee is constituted under the provisions of the Constitution of India. Second, it prepares the draft development plans for the metropolitan area. Okay. And third, it has sole responsibility for implementing government sponsored schemes in the metropolitan area. So first of all, I want to warn you about some tricks. So, we are generally assuming every time that whenever this type of statement has been given in the examination, that it has been under the provisions of Constitution of India or defined by Constitution of India. So that is wrong only. So no. So it might be possible in certain cases, but you can only mark this as wrong when you are very well aware of what the Constitution of India has provided for this particular topic. So in this case, yes, Metropolitan Planning Committee is constituted under the provision of Constitution of India. So first would be the correct statement. So we will eliminate the B option. Okay. Now read the second statement, which says that prepared the draft development plans for the metropolitan area. Yes, it is talking about that only. Yeah, metropolitan area, and it prepares the draft development plans. So this is also a correct statement. So eliminate the C option. Now we are left with only A option and D option. So read the third option. Even if you are not aware of very well aware of the functions of MPC, then also you can read the statement and mark this as incorrect. Why? Because first of all, it has been given the sole responsibility, and it has given that it would be implementing the government sponsor schemes. So this is basically a planning committee. So Metropolitan Planning Committee, it is a planning body, okay, and not executive body. Okay, so this type of government schemes that would be implemented by the other municipal bodies, okay, municipal bodies and other government agencies, and not by this, because this is solely a planning committee. So the answer would be A, 1 and 2 only. Okay, so now we will read something about this provision. So it has been given under the Constitution. So basically, the 74th Constitution Amendment Act was passed in the year 1992, which provided with the municipalities. मुनिसिपैलिटीज़, ठीक है. सो इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट जो 1992 में आया था, उससे म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज़ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली एस्टैब्लिशमेंट हुआ था इसका, ठीक है. एंड दिस वाज एडेड टू पार्ट 9A. A itself shows that something came with the amendment and in the 12th शेड्यूल, ठीक है. सो म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज़ के बारे में पार्ट 9 में मेंशन है और 12 शेड्यूल में विद दिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट. सो इससे क्या हुआ था कि ये जो मेट्रोपॉलिटन प्लानिंग कमिटीज़ है इसका एस्टेब्लिशमेंट हुआ था. सो दिस वाज इम्प्लीमेंटेड अंडर आर्टिकल 243 ZE. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज द metropolitan area? So it is basically in an area having population of 10 lakhs और मोर. ठीक है, ऐसे एरिया में जहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन 10 lakhs है या उससे ज़्यादा है उसको मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया माना जाएगा. ठीक है, एंड दिस आर्टिकल स्टेट्स दैट एनी मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया should have must have the metropolitan planning committee. ठीक है, सो ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली है इसका वैलिडेशन. एंड इसके अंदर जो मेंबर्स होंगे ये मेट्रोपॉलिटन कमेटी के, वो मेंबर्स दैट वुड बी इलेक्टेड बाय द इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स ऑफ पंचायत. ठीक है, पंचायत के जो इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स होंगे वो इन्हें इलेक्ट करेंगे, प्लस दी चेयरपर्सन्स. नो सॉरी, दिस वुड बी इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स ऑफ म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज़ क्योंकि ये उससे लगता है. ठीक है, एंड द चेयरपर्सन्स ऑफ पंचायत्स. उस मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया में जितनी भी पंचायत्स होंगी, ठीक है, उसके उनके चेयरपर्सन्स और म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज़ के इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स वो इन प्लानिंग कमेटी के मेंबर्स को इलेक्ट करेंगे एंड इट वुड फंक्शन. सो दिस वाज इट एंड थैंक यू ऑल.